On April 21, 1516, Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur, a Central Asian ruler from Fergana, defeated Sultan Ibrahim Lodi, last ruler of Delhi Sultanate, in the First Battle of Panipat. Lodi was killed in battle, marked the end of Delhi Sultanate and beginning of Mughal Empire in India. Babur's forces of 15,000 men with 20 to 24 pieces of field artillery defeated Lodi's 100,000 men and 1,000 war elephants. Following victory, Babur captured Delhi and Agra, establishing control over northern India. It laid political and military foundation for Mughal Empire, which Babur formally established soon after his triumph. The Mughals traced their lineage to Timur on the paternal side and Genghis Khan on the maternal side. Babur documented this pivotal victory in his memoir, the Baburnama, noting it as the beginning of the new imperial chapter. The Mughal Empire ruled large parts of the Indian subcontinent from the early 16th to the mid 19th centuries. Early Mughal Empire flourished under Babur's successors, including Akbar the Great, who expanded empire to its greatest territorial extent and established policy of religious tolerance. Akbar's reign is particularly notable for his administrative reforms, cultural achievements, and efforts to unify the diverse people of India. Key architectural achievements from his reign include Fatehpur Sikri Complex, Buland Darwaza. Other significant Mughal rulers include Shah Jahan, who built the Taj Mahal and numerous other monuments in Agra and Delhi. Aurangzeb, whose reign marked territorial peak of empire but also set in motion its eventual decline due to his policies of religious orthodoxy and heavy taxation. By the mid-18th century, the Mughal Empire began to fragment. The Third Battle of Panipat between the Marathas and Ahmad Shah Durrani weakened the Mughal power further, while Nadir Shah's invasion in 1739 and increasing influence of the British East India Company accelerated the empire's decline. Mughal Empire under British control ended in 1857 after the Indian Rebellion exiled Bahadur Shah II, marking the end of the Mughal dynasty. Mughal Empire's legacy in India is evident in its cultural contributions, architectural marvels, and administrative innovations, with monuments like Red Fort, Jama Masjid, Taj Mahal, and Fatehpur Sikri all World Heritage Monuments.